We'd like to welcome you to our center. This was started in 1991 as a department within the military hospital. It underwent a major expansion by the armed forces in 1997 and further in 2007 with increased capacity and hiring of staff. It became one of the most advanced cardiac centers over this time, offering cardiac surgery, cardiology, and electrophysiology to adult and pediatric patients. We performed the first metallic commissurotomy with Dr. Krabier, the first ASD in the Western region with Dr. Ziad Hijazi. We performed the first rotablation in the Western region and have become the busiest rotablation center in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We were among the first to do orbital atherectomy. Our hospital performed the first drug-eluting stents in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and right now is a center for complex intervention, including protected PCI and CTOs. We are the largest TAVR and mitral clip center in the Western region, and we have trained physicians from Government of Malaysia in interventional cardiology. After starting the first EP program in the Western region, it has evolved into one of the most advanced in the Middle East. It offers the first cryoablation for atrial fibrillation, the first leadless pacemakers, and the first SICD in the Middle East. It is one of the first and the largest epicardial VT ablation programs. It is one of the busiest adult cardiac surgery programs for coronary and valve surgeries. It offers the first off-pump coronary bypass surgery in Saudi Arabia, the first endoscopic vein harvest, and the first minimally invasive cardiac surgery. We have participated in many research registries in both electrophysiology and interventional cardiology, including the Master DAP trial, the FIRE trial, the Middle East multi-point pacing study, and the adaptive CRT study. We have collaborated with the Saudi Heart Association, the Gulf Intervention Society, the Saudi Arabian Cardiovascular Intervention Society, Society of Coronary Angiography and Intervention, and the Society of Cardiac CT in organizing conferences and courses for our region. We have transmitted live cases to EuroPCR in Paris, Gulf PCR in Dubai, and other conferences. We are now going to welcome you to our largest center in the Western region, a dedicated 160-bed facility for adult and pediatric heart patients.